This is how you cook rice.
This is how you cook rice.
You watch and do when you are tall enough. About 9 years old, you stir and stir.
You stir
to keep the grains from burning.
To keep the grains from burning.
Your mama has already tossed long-grained arroz into a sartén with the right amount of oil, which you will learn to gauge. At 12, you stir and watch. Let her know when the grains are castaño, toasted brown like apple seeds. She will add cebolla and green bell pepper. She chopped into rectangles the size of her fingernails. You can add the water. You know how much, as you know how much arroz and oil, but you let her watch. In a few years, she still watches you chop because she thinks you are not ready.
By 21, you have watched enough. While Abuela supervises, you cook rice for 20. She makes you chop cebolla and pepper smaller, her arthritic hands too old for the knife. You stir to avoid further browning, while she smashes ajo in the molcajete con comino seeds. Un poquito agua to loosen the mash on the molcajete, and you pour it in as sharp-smelling steam billows up like church incense. Then tomate, not too much, y la agua, sal y pimienta before the lid. Afterwards, pleased with your fluffy grains, tinted pale naranja, not sticky or burned, Abuela says, now you can get married.